And special thanks to our friends at DSP Professional who are nice enough to send us this model 60,088 USB rechargeable bald head shaver. This has a 1400 milliamp hour battery with LEDs, USB chargeable, and makes shaving your head a lot easier. Just their logo on the side. On the back, some of the specs. So 2-hour charge time, working time is more than 2 hours, 5 watts is the power that it'll use. Got the model there, Create a Better Life, model 60088. Let's open this up and take a look at it. Slide off the top, and we have a few things here. So it included a USB-A cable to charge it. This is what most all shavers and stuff use to charge, this little plug. Then we have, oh, look at that. I think that's some oil for like the shaver itself. Little cleaning utensil there. And then the shaver, and oh, there's the instructions. And that's it for the box. So it does include a nice set of instructions with some more information you may need. And then this is the bald head shaver. See, you got a nice little protective grill here. That's pretty cool. And it looks like you might can slide, yeah, look at that. You can slide that forward. Wow, get an even closer shave, okay. Slide it back when you don't need it. Charging port is on the bottom. And the feel of this is really nice. It has a nice feel in the hands. And to clean it, you just press that button to pop off the top here so you can clean it out. Very nice. And to power it on, press and hold your power button here. And you can turn the RPMs up to 7,500 RPMs or even down to 6,500 RPMs. And it tells you exactly how much battery you have. Love that. 2, 1. Now it's off. Very, very cool. That'll essentially do it for this DSP bald head shaver. Thanks again to DSP who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.